We're here with Scott Creighton. Scott, you're the CEO of Aplicor, and this is obviously a big week for you because this is the week of the unveiling of Cloud Suite 7. Tell me a little bit about why CRM buyers who are looking for a new solution or looking to replace a solution should be excited about this.
Well, first of all, thanks again, Chris. Great to see you. And this is a huge week for us. We are unveiling Cloud Suite 7. It's been a big effort from our employees and our customers. We've had a lot of feedback on this, and I just want to first say thanks to them. This is a huge effort, and we're really excited to launch the product here at Gartner at their LA conference. And what we're really seeing in terms of overall cloud adoption is the move for business agility. That CRM is changing, the office tool environments are changing, and companies are moving to cloud for business agility, and our product fits very nicely into the cloud strategy.
Now, tell me a little bit about one of the outstanding things I think is the interface, and the fact that for the first time somebody's listened to a customer about the interface and thought about the interface as if they were a customer. Tell me a little bit about what you guys are calling Tux.
Yeah, we think this is a really big deal, and this is really changing the user experience and empowering the end user to actually take their workspace environment and tailor it to their daily business needs. This is very different from traditional SaaS. Traditional SaaS was easy to use, everybody used it the same way. This is easy to use and empowering to use, and we codenamed this transformational user experience because we wanted to change the game on how software is used in the cloud. And we've got great feedback on this to really allow and empower the end user to design workspaces that meet their day-to-day personal needs to really drive additional efficiency and, more important, overall user adoption and ownership.
And this doesn't involve the IT department getting in and monkeying around with their interfaces. It's something the user does themselves with their own version of the desktop.
This is exactly right. This is a game changer. This really allows end users with the tools to really design their own workspaces, and more importantly, additional tools for businesses to manage their own business processes. So we believe we've taken it a leap forward here with not just easy to use, but empowering to use for the end user and business.
Now, obviously, this entire strategy is based around the cloud. Can you tell me about how the cloud is making people better able to do business and sort of giving them additional power just through their use of it, not strictly the economics of it, which I think we all understand, but the fact that it makes people more business flexible, so to speak.
Yeah, I think a good example of that is our case study with Mobile Health. They pretty much run their whole business in the cloud, and it's allowed them to very rapidly enter new geography in terms of markets. It's allowed them to really drive new business initiatives without all the upfront costs, but have that IT horsepower that they're leveraging in the cloud with Amazon and, in our case, here with Aplicor, that this is now the interoperability of multiple clouds to allow them to drive their business. So this is very different than what SaaS started out with, which is simple, cheap, integrated into your on-premise. What companies are doing now is moving to the cloud and interoperating with multiple clouds. And that's a big benefit of working with Aplicor. We're not a cloud, we're not trying to be a cloud, but we're going to interoperate with your cloud strategy. Whether it's Azure, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Google, we fit very nicely into that overall cloud architecture.
And the other great part about this is that it's a suite. It's not a situation where you're buying CRM and buying some things on the back end to make your business work. It's a situation where you've got the integration built in already, which sort of foreshadows what's coming down the road in terms of how people use their CRM and how they use their back office applications.
And that's exactly right. I mean, we're taking our traditional CRM award-winning approach in building out the back-end suite. So what we really heard from customers was this hybrid thing, we're sold on SaaS, but the SaaS to on-premise integration is really clunky. We're sold on CRM, we're sold on SaaS, and now we want to move to the cloud for complete business agility, and more importantly, a complete suite to run our business.
Right.
And that's the next level of efficiency that's going to take our company to another level.
Cool. Well, Scott, thanks for taking the time to talk. Appreciate it.
No, it's been great.
Scott Creighton is the CEO of Aplicor. Thanks for